Can we talk about lighting for a minute? One of the things that's most overlooked, in my opinion, is lighting in a house. There are so many different types of lighting. Have you even been to Home Depot or Lowe's lately? There's an entire row of light bulbs. I don't even know what they all mean. So I'm going to show you a few different types of lights and why they're important. However, I think that the best thing you can do is get bright lights for your home, both in recessed lighting and the light bulbs you use in your lamps, unless you're trying to set a mood in a particular room. Here are some examples. So you have statement piece lighting. You can also have very bright lighting. You can have recessed lighting. And when you do that, I suggest having the brightest lights possible, even if you wouldn't live that way. You can also have something like little miniature overhead lighting to highlight an area. Or you can have soft lighting or mood lighting like I was talking about just a moment ago. So at the end of the day, make sure your house is nice and brightly lit for showings. Nobody wants to buy a dark house, even if they don't like bright light.